guys, we're here today and we're gonna make a Hershey gingerbread house and a gingerbread village.
We found some stuff around the house like Oreos and white chocolate, and we got these too. It's Hershey's.
Abby picked both of these up and you picked up these
those
Hershey's.
too, yeah.
This is pretty much sponsored by Abby.
I say we just make them all at the same
We make them at the same time, right?
time. Be careful with them. We don't want it to like
I'll open these. Oh, we're broken here. Look at that.
bro.
Yeah, we can fix that up. If it's broken, it's broken.
They're a lot smaller.
Is that supposed to be two houses or one house?
This is one house and then this
Should we
is
just
one
make a
house.
mansion? I'm freaking telling you, we should make a mansion.
All right, we're gonna put these together and make a mansion.
I think we should turn this over.
I smell it. Oh, should we get that serrated?
Maybe you shouldn't point them.
Okay, we've gotten it to this point where it's built and it looks nice. Nothing's falling off.
And we got skylights on there.
Oh yeah, and we put skylights on it. And now it's time to decorate.
Okay, so our graham cracker Hershey
Mansion.
mansion.
Graham cracker Hershey.
It's a Hershey mansion on graham cracker.
No, no, no.
Gingerbread Hershey mansion.
Gingerbread Hershey mansion. Gingerbread Hershey mansion is done, and it came out beautiful. We got a wreath on the front.
We got wreaths on the side.
I thought those were mistletoe.
Oh yeah, we got mistletoe on the sides.
Skylights.
Lots of snow.
Hershey mats. We have that grand doorknob on the front.
Gumdrop doorknob.
Yeah.
That's bigger than any other doorknob on the house.
This is the mansion combining a gingerbread village and a.
And a Hershey house. We had some cracks, but we fixed those.
And then we
Yes,
broke it.
and then we broke it, and then we made some cracks.
It was a little complicated there at times,
Yeah.
right?
Can we taste it?
What's that?
I want to try it.
We can't try this. This is for Santa or something like that.
Oh wait, I have a UFO. The noise.
Scale of 1 to 10. It was pretty
No.
complicated. We're giving an 8. Skill level 8. A 2-story house next year.
Girl, we couldn't even make one story.
What do you mean we couldn't make 1 story? This is beautiful, Mallory. We made a
Yeah.
mansion.
2 hours.
This is a 2-story house.
Yeah.
Oh, well,
definitely
no,
double
one
the-
story.
We should just make a dollhouse.
Happy holidays!
This is so fun.
Dude, that middle Oreo looks so good. I just want to bite it.
You better not.
This year, you can make your own. Wait, no, that sounds like we're selling them.